Welcome to How to Make an iMovie. In this tutorial, you'll learn the steps to making a great iMovie. But first, it's important to discuss why this is even on our class website. In this class, you'll have the opportunity to share your learning through various means, like creating visuals, writing, and presenting. Making an iMovie is one of those options. This tutorial is here should you choose that option and get stuck, want to see other ideas, or just want a general idea of what an iMovie can do. You might also use this in future classes, or just maybe want to make an iMovie with your friends or family. There are 5 basic steps to creating an iMovie. They're deciding what it will be about, deciding your audience and purpose, creating a storyboard, start building, and finally, publish. These 5 steps will help you organize and create your very own iMovie. Step 1. What will my iMovie be about? As we discussed in class, it's important to choose something that's meaningful to you. So I've chosen to do an iMovie about my honeymoon. Because my husband and I read the series The Lord of the Rings on our honeymoon, I'm going to title my movie There and Back Again, A Honeymoon Tale. And don't worry if you don't have the title right now, you can get it later. Now that you know what your iMovie will be about, think about why you're making it and who you're making it for. This will help you to decide what to say, what materials to include, etc. For my project, my purpose for making this movie is to surprise my husband with it for our anniversary. My audience, as you can imagine, is my husband. Now that we have our topic, audience, and purpose established, we can create a storyboard. The storyboard will help us plan out our iMovie before we create it. Think of it like an outline for an essay. You can create your storyboard by literally drawing it, like this image, or you could use something like PowerPoint, like here, or you could use another way, like a word processing application like this one. When you create your storyboard, you'll decide what your script will be, as well as what materials you will use. Some things to include are images, audio, videos, the script. Some things to remember: to save it in a safe place, use Creative Commons. And be sure to double check the rubric for anything else you need. Okay, you're ready to start creating your iMovie. Open iMovie by clicking on the icon at the bottom of the screen. To create a new iMovie, click Create Movie as you see in the top left here. You can then choose a theme or no theme by clicking on Settings in the middle right of this page. You'll see a box that says Settings. Click on it and click No Theme. This will bring you to a page where you can choose a theme. I chose Photo Album for mine. You are now ready to import photos and videos to your file. Simply click the Import Media button, this arrow here at the top. Select the files you wish to import, or click Import All to bring them all into your project. Okay, you are now ready to bring these images into your timeline. As you can see, these are all my images here that I've imported, and how we bring them onto the timeline is pretty simple. We just click and drag, and this will let us put our media in, and you can switch places if you want to. You can move this one over here, and if you would like a background, you simply go up here, click on a background that you like, and drag it down. To add titles, you go here to Titles, and you can pick whichever kind of title you want. So I'm going to click this one and drag it and put it just right here on top. Then I'll enter my text here, and that will allow me, once I go back over here, I'll hit the space bar, and this is how my movie will look so far. You probably want some audio in your video, so what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the Import button. We're going to click on Music, iTunes, iTunes Media, Music, and then this is the song that I want here. That's by the Jackson 5, and on your computer it might be more readily available. So you just click on this, you click Import Selected, and that will bring it up. So here's our song. So then we're just going to drag our song down to where we want it, and then there we go. We got it. You can even import videos when you are using the import media. So as you can see, this here is a video that I've imported. So I'm just going to drag and drop, put it right here. This is one that my husband recorded of me sledding. So we're going to press play and see what happens. See? There's our video. All right, we're all ready for our finishing touches on our iMovie. So we're going to show you how to do two things. First, I'm going to show you how to do closing credits, and this works the same for the beginning as well. You just choose a background that you like. So for my closing, I'm going to choose a curtain, drag and drop there, go to titles, and I'm going to get scrolling credits for the end. And in this, you can just type in here where it says name and description. So I'm going to type in Lauren Johnson and go over here and put Charles Johnson. So this is how you can put your scrolling credits, and then when you play it, it'll look something like this. And then the last thing that we're going to show you is how to put transitions in. So you just click up here on the transition button and you have all of these options. Now I'm just going to pick this one, the page curl. I'm going to drag and drop it right here in between my pictures. So what that's going to do is it's going to just make a really nice page turn between my pictures. So you want to do that for all of your transitions. All right, and you're on step 5. You're ready to publish. So you're going to click on share in the top right hand corner. You have all these options. I recommend you save it as a file to your desktop and then send it wherever you need it to go. And then you're done. Thanks for watching.